Hey beauties, so today I'm bringing for you this turquoise with hints of green and blue look. So if you want to learn how I did it, then just keep on watching. So to start off, I'm using my concealer to prime my eyelids. Then I'm using my Real Techniques blender sponge and I'm blending my concealer. Then I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm using the color Jada, don't know how to pronounce it, and I'm putting that on my outer corner and I'm gonna blend that into my crease and inner corner because I'm trying to do kind of like a halo eye. So now I'm going in with the Dominique Cosmetics Latte palette and I'm applying the color Cold Brew. I'm applying it to my outer corner, my inner corner, and then I'm gonna blend that throughout my crease. I'm gonna blend that really well because I don't want any harsh lines. Next, I'm going in with a flat brush and my concealer and I'm gonna clean out the halo part. And after that, I'm gonna take back again the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm gonna use the color Pool Party and I'm applying that on my halo area. Now I'm gonna start with my face. I'm applying Maybelline primer. I'm gonna link everything down below. If you guys want to check it out, you can. Now I'm dotting my foundation all over my face. It's also the Maybelline Fit Me Smooth and Dewy, I think it is. Now I'm taking my beauty sponge from Real Techniques and I'm gonna blend that out throughout my face. After that, I'm gonna take the Fit Me concealer from Maybelline and I'm gonna put some on my forehead, under my circles, and I'm gonna put some on the bridge of my nose, also my chin and my cupid's bow. Again, I'm taking the beauty sponge from Real Techniques to blend everything out. Now that I have everything blended, I'm gonna go in with the Airspun face powder. This is the color Translucent and I'm gonna go and set my entire face. Then I'm taking my Lorac Pro palette and I can't remember the name of the shade that I'm using, but I'm gonna link that down below so you guys can go check it out. I'm gonna contour my face and my nose. After that, I'm gonna go back in with my eyes and I'm gonna finish my lower lash line and I'm gonna do the same exact thing that I did on my top. Now I'm going in with this Bisou mascara and I'm gonna apply it on my lashes. I'm gonna give them a few coats. After that, while my lashes are drying, I'm gonna go back with my face and I'm gonna finish up. I'm gonna use this Tarte blush palette. I'm gonna apply it on my cheekbones. After that, I'm gonna take the Tarte highlight palette and I'm gonna apply it on the highest points of my face. After I'm done with that, I'm taking the Brow Gal gel and I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. I'm mixing these three colors to get my lip color that I wanted. Now I'm taking my lash brand lashes in the style Nina. And this is the final look, beauties. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.